Where is Daniel? He should be here to help set everything up. And he calls himself a waiter.
We shall get the hub ready for tonight's party, but without the help of the other waiters, we won't be able to finish on time.
Take the chairs away, remove this, and take out the silver dishes. And make Daniel and Anthony start working.
Hey boy, ready?
They need your help in the great chamber.
We cannot be here until 2. We've only got 2 legs and 2 hands.
I don't want to go to the cabaret. I am thinking. Let's go. I want to dance. You two go and have fun. I don't want to dance.
We are wasting time. You will feel better when you are on the ball. Good.
Okay, you are right. Let's go.
Enjoy yourselves, my friends. Everybody's going to dance tonight. More lights, more drinks, musicians, playing louder. This is going to be a wonderful party.
Who are those men who just come here? I can't see their faces. They are wearing masks.
I don't know who they are. It doesn't matter. They look friendly. More drinks. What a wonderful party. Oh, why can't I be young again? Shall we dance?
Dance, don't be stupid, Capulet. You are too old. You haven't danced for 30 years. Come and sit down for a while.
Don't you want to dance, Romeo?
No, I don't. You can go and you can go and dance. I will stay here.
Hi, darling.
Oh, what a fancy couple. Who are they? I must meet them. When they stop dancing, I will go and speak to them.
Uncle Capulet, that man is a Montague.
Which man?
The man who came in a few minutes ago, overbreath. He's wearing a mask, and I know his voice. His name is Romeo, and he's a Montague. I'm going to get him.
No, Tybalt. You must not fight with Romeo. The Capulet and the Montagues must not fight anymore. The Prince of Verona told us to stop fighting. Do you remember? Romeo is a good man. Do you understand?
All right, Uncle, but I'm very angry. He was wrong to come here.
Hello. I don't know your names. I just see you a few minutes ago dancing and I want to speak with you, but I don't know about
You have to say it.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do. My room is on the second floor with the balcony to the left, next to my brother's bed. Juliet! Juliet, the father wants you. Come with me, my dear.
But I don't know you. No, of course you can hold my hand. If I can hold your hand, my lips can touch your hand.
Who is he?
Lord Montague's son, your father's son.
This is terrible. I love him.
His name is Romeo.
Mom, you love. I hate Montague.
What was that? Come, Juliet, your mother's here waiting.
Come on, Matt. It's late. Let's go home. Where is Romeo?
So came a few minutes ago. Romeo! Romeo! Come on! Forget about the girl. Forget about love. Come with us.
It's easy for him to laugh. He's never been in love.
Oh, it's Romeo. What's in a name? He's a Montague and I'm a Capulet. But they're just names. They don't mean anything. Why are our families enemies? I love him, and that's the only thing that matters. What is he doing? He mistook my balcony for my brother's?
Peter, come
tolerate that kind of decency.
Let's end this nonsense.
Oh no, I can hear someone coming. You must go, Romeo, before they catch you here. If you really want to marry me, I'll send my nurse to you tomorrow. Send her a message for me. Tell her where I'm going to meet you. I follow you, my lord. Forever